Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily add low power mode on your control center. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So if I scroll down from the top right corner, you can see there is a low power mode enabled on my iPhone. That is an icon, and we can simply scroll down from the top right and then simply turn on low power mode. If you want to add this in your control center, all you will have to do is to go to the settings, and then you will have to scroll down and tap on control center just below the general. Now once you're on this page, you'll find all the options that have been added, included controls on the top and more controls on the bottom in this section. And if you want to add any one of these new, all you will have to do is to tap on the plus just before that icon like this, and it is now added to the included controls. Now you can find accessibility right here. So that's how you can easily add a low power mode icon in the control center. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.